I bring you the Itel Power Easy the First power bank manufactured by Itel. It's a 20,000 milliampere hour power bank, which was released, let's say, somewhere last year or more. Yeah. I bought this power bank more than a month ago at a cost of 200 Ghana cedis at Franco Trading Enterprise around La Paz in Accra, Ghana. Yeah, so convert it into US dollars somewhere around 19 or 20 US dollars. Yeah. So, like I said, I bought it at exactly 200 Ghana cedis from Francophones. Okay, so yeah. So this power bank here, to be very honest, is very good. A very durable power bank from Itel. So let me usher you to the features of this power bank. So over here is a string. You can hang it in your with your fingers or with your finger, or strap it around your trouser or any other wearable. At the same time, when you pull the string forward, that is where it reveals the cable. So over here is a lightning cable, a male lightning cable where you can be able to power your iPhone devices. Yeah. Also, when you open the head, come in. Also, when you open the head, that is where it exposes the male a male Type C cable, sorry, Type C port rather, which you can be able to power your Android devices. Yeah. So this is the lightning cable, the male lightning cable, and this is the male Type C cable. Yeah. So the downside about this is that it's either you charge your iPhone or your Android phone, because if you decide to charge your your Android smartphone, you won't be able to charge your iPhone. Yeah, because the head has been is being opened or is being removed. Yeah, so unless you revert it back, I mean, unless you revert it back before before you can be able to fully charge your iPhone. But once you open the head, then it means you can only charge your Android device. However, it's not too late. We have female ports here. That's two Type A female ports and a single Type C female port. So no need to worry about not charging your iPhone because this port here is busy with charging charging with an Android device. You can still charge your iPhone here by inserting your lightning cable into any of these male Type A ports. Yeah, to be able to charge your iPhone and at the same time charge your Android device here. It can power probably four devices. Yeah, it can power four devices. So from here, either the either the iPhone or Android, and at the same time, you can charge other three devices here. So there's no cause for alarm here. So over here too, at the same time, is where you can charge your power bank here. Unfortunately, it does not come with solar panels or whatnot. So you would have to connect your Type C male port into these female ports here, then charge it via direct current or the national grid. Yeah. Sorry, or the national grid. Yeah. And interestingly, over here is an indicator where it shows the level of the level of battery value. Yeah. But at the same time, When you press and hold an indicator, which doubles as the button, that is where it reveals the flashlight. Mhm. And the best part of it all is its high lumen, its lumen intensity is quite okay. You can see it here from distance here. Yeah, it's quite a high lumen capacity. Yeah, at its price point. So when you press and hold to switch it off, and at the same time, it doubles as the battery indicator. So yeah, and the best part of it all is that it's a 22.5 milliampere hour, which is very fast. So depending on your smartphone's charging speed capacity, so probably from 0 to 50% should from 0 to 50% should give you somewhere around 30 minutes or so. Yeah, depending on your phone speed. Yeah. Mhm. So it's a 22.5 milliampere hour um, charge speed. So you don't need to worry about the slow pace charge. Yeah, so don't worry about that. So it powers four devices at the same time, either either with an iPhone or Android device. And also it comes with other female ports to to further power your devices. So highly recommendable. I highly recommend everyone to get this power bank. It's very durable. It's really great. In fact, let me tell you a story. Last week, where I stay, there was a power outage at night. So I connected my desk fan and at the same time charged my phone. So I woke up the next morning and I realized that it's left me with only 2 bars. Yeah. So initially the bars were full until I decided to connect my desk fan and charge my smartphone, an Android phone to be precise. And it left me only 2 bars the next morning. So the battery is very strong, very, very strong. The charging speed is very good. And I was able to fully charge my devices the next morning. So I've been taking this power bank to work, and some of my colleagues loved it. Yeah, they've been using my power bank more than me using it. It's really helpful. Yeah. So there's been several charging cycles since I bought this device more than a month ago, and it still stood strong and perfect like yesterday. So it comes with a box which contains vital information here. You can pause to read. Yeah, the flashlight, the 22.5 milliampere hour. Sorry, yeah, and at the same time, the 22.5 watts rather. Sorry, and also two type A, then one type C. Yeah, and that's the Itel brand, the most hated brand in the whole world. So interestingly, so initially it's an 18,000 milliampere hour for the battery, whilst the 2,000 milliampere hour maybe just maybe is reserved for flashlights. So that's my theory. I don't know the reason behind the 18,000 milliampere hour capped at charging the phone. Then I don't know why. But my theory is maybe 18,000 for the charging of devices, whilst the 2,000 whilst the remaining 2,000 whilst the remaining 2,000 milliampere hour is reserved for flashlight. That's my theory. I don't know about yours, so let me know. So the contact details and the brand designs, and here are the vital information of the Itel Power Easy the first. Yeah. Please focus, please. Mhm. So I highly recommend. Yes, I highly recommend this power bank to everyone. Yeah. Thank you and have a nice day, Dennis.